Our first example is 5 subtract y. This may be a real-life situation. For example, Joel had 5 pencils and gave some away. We can also say this in words. 5 decreased by a number. Here we've been asked to evaluate this expression by replacing the y with 2. So we will begin by rewriting the expression 5 subtract y. Next, we will actually replace the y with a 2 and finally subtract. 5 subtract 2 is 3. Our next example is 8 plus 2x. We can say this in words. 8 increased by double a number, and it may also be a real-life situation. To enter a carnival, it will cost $8. Each ride will cost $2. So how much would it cost to take 3 rides? Again, we'll begin by writing our expression 8 plus 2x, and then we'll replace the x with 3. We must follow the order of operations, so we have to do the multiplication first. 2 plus 3 is 6. Finally, we can add 8 plus 6 is 14. Our last example is 3n subtract 1. Here we've been asked to evaluate this expression replacing the n with the numbers 1 to 3. Let's start by writing our expression and then replacing the n with 1. Multiplication must come first because of order of operations, and finally subtract. Next, let's substitute 2 in for n. Multiplication must come first. 6 subtract 1, and finally the subtraction. Last, let's substitute in a 3 for the n. Multiply first, and finally subtract. Thank you for watching.